My name is Rupali Rajawat. I am your science teacher and today we will continue this chapter number 7, conservation of plants and animals. More than half chapter we already completed. Now today we will start from the page number 106. Extinct and endangered species. Beta, what is extinct species? Extinct species means the species which are already finished from the earth. The species of plant or animal which are already finished on the earth, they are known as the extinct species, just like dinosaur, just like dodo. These are the kind of animal which comes in the category of extinct species. Extinct species means which already lost from the earth. Okay, see the picture of dodo is given in your book. The dodo is a kind of flightless bird which having a very soft skin, and due to which the pupils are hunting and eating a dodo as a meal or as a food. Okay, now among the plants, some plants are also there which are comes in the category of extinct species because they are not having the favorable climatic condition. The proper amount of water and the proper amount of foods are not available. That's why the plants are that's why the some plants are extinct from the earth. Now endangered species. Endangered species are the species of plant and animal which are near to be converted into the endemic species. Means these are the kind of species which are endangered. If the government the government of different state does not take the certain step, then the time will not far when this endangered species is converted as a endemic species. Okay, now for example endemic species में आपके आ जाते हैं like example of tiger, lion, snow leopard, white bear. These are the kind of animal species which are endangered. Okay, which are very less quantity or which are very less amount is present on our earth. Now Project Tiger, saving disappearing tiger, means there are the some project which has started by the government to protect the tiger to be disappear, because if the government has not taken any kind of certain step, then the time is not far when the tiger can disappear from the earth. Okay, so that's why the government has maintained the wildlife sanctuary and government has passed some rule for the protection of wildlife for the protection of wild animal and also the domestic animal, and government has also set up the national park in different states for the protection of endangered species. Okay, now at one time there were more than 40,000 varieties of tiger is available in India. Means there was a time, at that time the large amount of variety of tiger are present in India, but nowadays due to the beautiful skin of the tiger, the most of the pupils are hunting the tiger for their beautiful skin. So government has passed the rule and they just conserve the area for the wild animal from where the hunting is not allowed. If anyone do any kind of hunting or any kind of harm to the animal, then he or she will pay the penalty or he or she will sent to the jail. Okay, now Ministry of Environment and the Forest initiated a Project Tiger. Means the Ministry of Environment and Forest started one kind of project which is known as a Tiger Project, under which the tiger get protected by the other thing and some species of tiger get reserved. Okay, now Red Data Book. Beta, Red Data Book. First of all, the International Union of Conservation of Nature, now renamed as a World Conservation Union. International Conservation Union means the union which is conserve or which is responsible to conserve the plant and animal in all over the world. Okay? Because international word is there, means this is the organization. The work of this organization is to conserve the plant and animal in all over the world. Now rename as the new name of the International Union of Conservation of Nature. The new name is the World Conservation Union. The work of the World Conservation Union is to protect all the endangered species of plant and animal in all over the world. ठीक है. Now this is also responsible to conserve the biodiversity. Now the red data book. What is red data book? Red data book is a public document where the number of endangered varieties of plant and animals are mentioned. ठीक है, ये बेटा एक ऐसी बुक होती है. दिस इज अ पब्लिक डॉक्यूमेंट ऑन विच द endangered species are mentioned. Either it is a species of plant or it is a species of animals. Okay, so steps suggested by the World Conservation Union to conserve the biodiversity. Now the some steps are taken by the World Conservation Union for the conservation of biodiversity. The first one is regulate and reduce the use of wood as a fuel. For the conservation of plant, what rule is passed by the World Conservation Union, that to reduce the use of a fuel, so due to which the plants are not cut in a large amount. After that, grazing to be restricted for wildlife means grazing does not allow in the wildlife area or in a national park, means no, not a single animal are allowed to graze. Graze means charna. Herbivorous animal are doing grazing in many area, but according to this the grazing should be reduced. After that, effective system to protect forest fire means they set up the effective system or they maintain the such kinds of instrument which reduce the forest fire. After that, enacting law for conserving biodiversity means some rules are passed by the government to conserve the biodiversity. After that, cooperation from the non-governmental organization to be sought for educating people and involving them in the conservation work, means the one step is this is also the one of the most important step which is taken by the World Conservation Union, is to educate the people regarding environment, that not to harm environment, because if you harm the environment then the life is not possible on the earth. So education is also very much necessary step which is taken by the World Conservation Union. Now after that, setting up to the biosphere, national park, wildlife sanctuaries, botanical garden, zoo and development of the protected area are endangered species, means they are passing the different kinds of rule, different kinds of format to protecting the wildlife or to protecting the plants or to protect the national park. After that, long-term captive breeding program in a natural habitat for the endangered species to help propagate their species. Means उन्होंने बहुत सारे ऐसे जनरल स्टेप लिए which help to protect the environment and which also help to protect the endangered species, biodiversity. Now reforestation. I already explained this topic. What is reforestation? Reforestation is similar, just a similar of afforestation. Afforestation or reforestation both are same thing. Reforestation is a process by which when we are planting a more and more tree, or the another definition of reforestation is that the growing a large amount of tree is known as a reforestation, due to which the number of plants are increased on the earth. Reforestation की वजह से the number of plants are increasing on the earth. ठीक है. Now migration. Beta, because plants are very much useful for us. Plant provide us oxygen. Plant provides us many plant products which we are eating as a food, like vegetable, like आपके स्टैम्स हो गए. स्टैम्स में आपका पटेटो आ जाता है. पटेटो इज अ स्टैम ऑफ अ प्लांट विच वी आर ईटन एज अ वेजिटेबल. ओके, नाउ आपके फूड प्रोडक्ट आ जाते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई द प्लांट इज वेरी मच नेसेसरी. सो इट इज वेरी मच नीडेड और इट इज वेरी मच कंपल्सरी टू डू द एफोरेस्टेशन, मीन्स टू ग्रो अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ ट्री. नाउ माइग्रेशन. Migration means when the bird or when the human being or when any living thing or when any living organism move from one place to another place in a search of food, in a search of water, or in a search of favorable climatic condition according to their body, that is known as a migration. So many birds are doing migration, so many pupils are doing migration, so many animals are doing migration for their food, for their shelter, for their water. Okay, this is the simple definition of migration. When the person or when the living thing में आपके animals, आपके human beings, ये सब आ जाते हैं. and birds also counted as a living thing. When the organism move from one place to another place in a search of food, in a search of water, in a search of shelter or the favorable condition. That process is known as a migration. Okay. Now, recycling of paper. Recycling of paper. A major cause of deforestation is the felling of tree to obtain a wood being used in making a paper. Means the major cause of deforestation, the major cause of cutting of tree is to obtain a wood from them, obtain a wood from them, and which is used as a fuel, and more large amount of wood is used as a paper. So the recycling is one of the good method or one of the good process from which we are protecting the tree from cutting, and we just save the area to convert it into the deforestation. Okay, so recycling is one of the best method to conserve the tree or to conserve the plant. Now, wood pulp produced from nearly 17 full grown tree is required to make a 1 ton of paper. बेटा 17 full green plants जब हम cut करते, then we got a 1 ton of paper. After that it therefore become necessary to save a paper and reduce the use of paper by using both the side of a paper. First of all, when we are using the paper, then at that time we just write on the both side of the paper. We just not use only one side of a paper. This also reduce the requirement of a paper, or we recycle that paper. Okay. Now we can also recycle the paper. The number of time we use it again and again. You might be aware for junk dealer, ठीक है, कबाड़ी वाला या रद्दी वाला, you just sell your old books, you just sell the newspaper to the रद्दी वाला जो आपके होते हैं, जिनको हम इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं, junk dealer. The junk dealer कैसे होते हैं, जैसे आपके जो रद्दी वाले होंगे, जो कबाड़ी वाले, the English name of the that रद्दी वाला and कबाड़ी वाला है junk dealer. You just sell the old newspaper, no need to burn that newspaper. You just sell to the junk dealer, so they just sell, and again the industries or again the factory where the this newspaper are recycled and used as a normal paper. जहाँ पर आपके इन newspaper को recycle करके they will again use that paper. Okay, so this is the best way to conserve the forest or to conserve the plant. Recycling. Recycling is one of the best method. It is to conserve the plants. Now your chapter is over here. Okay, you have to watch this video. If you are having any kind of doubt during this video, then you will allow to ask to me on Wednesday during your live classes. Okay, thank you everyone.